Hi, my name is Linda Miner and I'm a registered nutritionist, and today I'm going to be explaining how the Zen Body Shape is going to get your body back into fat burning mode. There are no stimulants or thermogenics in this product. I'm going to explain to you how the ingredients work in a very natural and safe way. So first of all, what's causing your body to store fat to begin with? That's the problem we need to fix. There's a hormonal imbalance that's going on in your brain that's telling your body store fat. So what's causing this is inflammation. There are a number of things that cause our body to have inflammation. We may have had a surgery or a serious injury, but more likely the inflammation is coming from toxins in our food supply, in our water, pollution that we are breathing in, chemicals that are in our food. But the biggest one of all is stress. Stress causes the body to produce an overabundance of cortisol, and cortisol is highly inflammatory. So why is all this inflammation a problem? Well, what happens in the body is that when you have inflammation, you produce something called C-reactive protein. And C-reactive protein causes a big problem because we have a hormone that we naturally produce in our own fat that is called leptin. And when we eat enough food so that we've consumed all the calories that our body needs, our body starts to convert those calories into fat if it's more than what we need. As soon as that happens, our body releases a hormone called leptin, which goes to our brain that says, stop eating, you've had enough, and we don't need to store fat. Clearly, there's not a famine, there's no drought going on, there's more than enough food. So the leptin goes to the brain. This is a very primal function in the brain, and it says there's enough food, don't eat anymore, and stop storing fat. C-reactive protein from our inflammation binds to leptin. They get stuck together. And what happens is the leptin molecule now is too big to get into the brain. We have a blood-brain barrier that protects our brain, and so the only small molecules can pass through it. The C-reactive protein is a bigger molecule, and when it binds to the leptin, it can't get through. So our brain is no longer getting the correct message that is saying stop eating and stop storing fat. So the opposite of that is keep eating and store fat. So even if you're eating celery and cucumber all day long, your brain is still getting the message, store fat, because of all this inflammation. And if you've been on a calorie restrictive diet, that's going to cause even more problems. But I'll discuss that in another video. So what is in the Zen Body Shape? Well, the main ingredient that is the most important is the African mango seed extract. And this is a very exciting ingredient because what it does is, first of all, helps your body produce more leptin. It helps to get the inflammation under control, reduces the amount of C-reactive protein that your body is producing, and stops the C-reactive protein from binding to the leptin. Now the message can get to your brain that says, stop eating, stop storing fat. This is a huge relief because no amount of willpower can make this happen. If you're sitting there saying, burn fat, burn fat, burn fat, that's not going to work. And even if you're out exercising and you feel like you're eating really well, if you're under a lot of stress in your daily life, this leptin resistance is going to continue to be a problem. So this product finally is going to be able to help us reverse that hormonal imbalance that for most of us is plaguing us with extra weight, especially around our abdomens. So if you're interested in getting your hands on some of this Zen Shape, let me know. You can send me an email or click on my website below and you'll be able to come in and order the product. Or if someone else referred you to this video, make sure you get back to them and let them know you want to order some of this Zen Shape. What you want to do is take 2 capsules twice a day before your 2 main meals. And there's another product you're going to want to take along with that called the Zen Fit, but I will talk about that in another video.